Anfi del Mar is a luxury resort and beach area located on the sunny southwest coast of Gran Canaria, between Arguineguín and Puerto Rico. It's one of the island's most picturesque spots, known for its calm turquoise waters, soft white sand, and palm-lined promenade. The beach itself is man-made, with imported Caribbean sand, giving it a distinctly tropical look that contrasts beautifully with Gran Canaria's rugged volcanic landscape. The sea here is sheltered by a breakwater, making it ideal for swimming, paddleboarding, and family activities. The resort was originally developed by Norwegian entrepreneur Bjørn Ling in the early 1990s and has since grown into a collection of luxury, timeshare and holiday complexes, including Anfi Beach Club, Club Puerto Anfi, and Club Monte Anfi. The area has a marina with yachts, boutiques and waterfront restaurants, serving everything from Spanish tapas to fine dining. Visitors can rent boats, take dolphin-watching excursions, or enjoy water sports such as jet skiing and parasailing. Despite its exclusivity, Anfi del Mar maintains a relaxed, family-friendly atmosphere. Its tropical gardens, calm lagoon and striking heart-shaped island offshore make it one of Gran Canaria's most photographed and desirable coastal destinations.